Have you ever looked down at your legs at the end of the day and thought, why do they feel so heavy, tight, and swollen, like they're filled with water? Most people think swollen legs are just a normal part of aging, but the truth is far more serious and far more surprising. Because when your legs swell, it's not just water sitting there. It's a clear sign that your body's drainage system has slowed down, your circulation isn't working as efficiently as it used to, and your lymphatic system is struggling to move trapped fluid out of your tissues. And the shocking part? Millions of seniors live with this every single day without realizing that a few simple natural remedies, specifically essential oils, can actually help stimulate circulation, drain trapped fluid, and reduce that heavy, painful, swollen feeling. So if you're dealing with swelling, puffiness, fluid retention, or legs that feel tight by evening, stay with me, because today you're going to learn the 5 best essential oils that have been shown to support fluid drainage, boost circulation, reduce inflammation, and help you reclaim comfort in your legs again, naturally and safely. And I promise you, these oils are not the common ones you hear about everywhere. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use them, why they work, when to apply them, and the biggest mistakes people make when trying to treat swollen legs at home. Before we dive into the oils themselves, let's first understand what's actually happening inside your legs when swelling occurs. You see, your legs are the farthest point from your heart, and as you age, your veins, lymph vessels, and surrounding tissues don't work as efficiently as before. Gravity pulls fluid downward, your veins struggle to push blood back upward, and your lymphatic system slows down, causing fluid to get stuck in the lower legs, ankles, and feet. This trapped fluid doesn't just create swelling, it creates heaviness, stiffness, tingling, and sometimes pain. And if you ignore it long enough, it can turn into chronic edema, skin discoloration, and even circulation problems. That's exactly why essential oils can be so powerful. These concentrated plant extracts contain compounds that stimulate lymph flow, support vein health, reduce inflammation in the tissues, and improve microcirculation so fluid can finally move out instead of pooling. Now, let's go into the first essential oil, one of the most powerful oils for lymphatic drainage, grapefruit essential oil. Most people don't know this, but grapefruit oil contains compounds like limonene that help break down trapped fluid and stimulate your lymphatic vessels to flush waste out of the tissues. This is exactly why many massage therapists use it for swelling, cellulite, and detox sessions. When you apply diluted grapefruit oil on your legs, it helps tighten the blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. And the best part is that it works gently, making it safe for most older adults. A simple way to use it is mixing a few drops into a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil and massaging upward from the ankles toward the knees. This upward motion helps push fluid back toward the heart, and the oil enhances that drainage even more. You can also add a few drops to warm bath water and soak your legs for added fluid relief. The second essential oil that works incredibly well for swollen legs is cypress essential oil. Cypress oil is famous for its ability to strengthen veins and support circulation, making it especially helpful if your swelling is caused by weak or aging veins. It contains a unique compound called alpha-pinene, which helps tighten blood vessel walls and improve the movement of trapped fluid. Many seniors who experience swelling due to long periods of sitting or standing notice a major difference when they start using cypress oil consistently. When you massage it into your legs, it creates a warm, stimulating effect that boosts blood flow almost immediately. If your swelling gets worse by evening, applying cypress oil earlier in the day can help prevent fluid from accumulating in the first place. Just remember to always dilute it properly to avoid skin irritation. The third essential oil on our list is peppermint essential oil, and this one is especially helpful if your legs feel not only swollen, but also aching, hot, or tense. Peppermint oil contains menthol, which creates a cooling sensation on the skin while reducing inflammation in deeper tissues. This cooling effect helps bring relief to tired, swollen legs and improve circulation at the same time. Many seniors find that peppermint oil gives immediate comfort, especially when swelling is caused by heat, long walks, or fluid retention around the ankles. The cooling effect also helps relax tight muscles, which can further improve blood and lymph flow through the legs. Mixing peppermint oil with a little aloe vera gel creates a soothing, refreshing leg treatment that feels amazing, especially at the end of a long day. The fourth essential oil you need to know about is lavender essential oil. Most people think lavender is only for relaxation or sleep, but it's actually one of the most anti-inflammatory oils on the planet. Inflammation is a major cause of fluid buildup, and when your tissues are inflamed, they hold onto water like a sponge. Lavender's compounds help calm irritated tissues, reduce redness, ease throbbing sensations, and support gentle drainage. What makes lavender especially valuable for seniors is its ability to relax the nervous system. When your stress levels go down, your blood vessels relax, and this helps fluid move more easily through your system. If you deal with swelling at night or have trouble sleeping because of heavy legs, applying lavender oil before bed can help ease discomfort and improve rest at the same time. And because it's one of the mildest essential oils, it's usually well tolerated even by people with sensitive skin. The fifth essential oil, and one of the most powerful for circulation, is rosemary essential oil. Rosemary has been used for centuries to stimulate blood flow, warm the limbs, and support healthy circulation. One of its active compounds, cineol, helps dilate blood vessels and encourages movement in areas where circulation has slowed down. If your swelling is caused by poor circulation, cold feet, or vein issues, rosemary oil may be the missing piece of your routine. Many seniors notice that after massaging rosemary oil into their legs, the skin feels warmer, the tension reduces, and the swelling gradually decreases. The warming effect is especially helpful if you feel heaviness in your calves or tightness around the ankles. Rosemary oil pairs beautifully with cypress oil for a powerful circulation-boosting blend. Now, knowing the oils is one thing, but understanding how to use them correctly is what actually gives you results. Most people make two big mistakes when using essential oils for swelling. The first mistake is applying oils only to the swollen area instead of massaging upward. Since swollen legs are caused by fluid getting stuck, you must help move that fluid upward toward the lymph nodes behind the knees and in the groin area. This means always massaging from the bottom up. The second mistake is not diluting the oils properly. Essential oils are extremely concentrated. Applying them directly on the skin can cause irritation, redness, or even burns. Always mix them with a carrier oil such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, or olive oil. A safe ratio is usually about 2 to 3 drops of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. This not only protects your skin, but also helps the oil spread more effectively. Another powerful way to use essential oils for swelling is through warm compresses. This method is especially good if your legs feel stiff or if the swelling is deep in the tissues. You simply add a few drops of your chosen essential oil to a bowl of warm water. Soak a cloth in it, wring it out, and place it over your legs for 10 to 15 minutes. The warmth opens the blood vessels, allowing the oils to penetrate deeply and encourage drainage. Peppermint, lavender, and cypress work beautifully for this method. On the other hand, if your swelling is caused by heat or inflammation, a cool compress with peppermint oil can bring almost immediate relief. You can also use essential oils in foot baths. Many seniors experience swelling that travels down to the feet, and a foot soak can help reverse this trend. Adding grapefruit, rosemary, or lavender oil to a basin of warm water helps reduce swelling, soften stiff tissues, and boost circulation from the bottom up. If you spend long hours sitting, standing, or wearing tight shoes, a simple 10-minute essential oil foot bath can make a noticeable difference. But we also need to talk about safety because essential oils are natural, but they're still powerful. If you're pregnant, have severe medical conditions, use blood thinners, or have open wounds or skin infections on your legs, you should consult your doctor before using essential oils. Also, never apply essential oils on varicose veins directly. Instead, massage gently around the vein to improve circulation without irritating the vein itself. And always perform a patch test before using any oil for the first time. Now, beyond essential oils, there are simple habits that can multiply your results. Elevating your legs is one of the most effective ways to reduce swelling. When you raise your legs above your heart, gravity finally works in your favor, helping the fluid move upward. Staying hydrated may seem counterintuitive, but dehydration actually causes the body to store more water. Drinking enough water helps reduce fluid retention. Reducing salt is extremely important because excess sodium pulls water into your tissues. Walking and staying active help pump blood and lymph fluid through your legs. Even simple ankle circles or calf flexes can make a huge difference if you do them consistently. Wearing loose, comfortable clothing also prevents your lymph vessels from becoming compressed. Combining these habits with essential oils creates a powerful, natural strategy for reducing swelling, improving comfort, and supporting long-term leg health. And the best part is that essential oils don't just treat the swelling you see. They help support the underlying systems that prevent swelling from returning. So now that you've learned the 5 best essential oils for swollen legs, grapefruit, cypress, peppermint, lavender, and rosemary, and you understand how they work, how to use them, and what mistakes to avoid, let's wrap up with a quick summary. Swollen legs are not just an age-related annoyance. They're a sign that your circulation and lymphatic systems need support. Essential oils provide a natural and effective way to boost fluid drainage, reduce inflammation, and improve overall leg comfort when used correctly and consistently. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next. Your support helps this information reach more seniors who need it.